I'm leaving for a meeting. Make sure that you tidy up the house very well, eh?
Okay, sir.
Where's Ray?
Please, he's cleaning.
Okay.
What food should we prepare for dinner?
As usual, you know my favorites, eh? Do it for me.
Okay, sir.
So you are here. You need to hear that.
Why are you disturbing us? What do you want?
Oh, what do I need apart from food?
And for your information, there is no food in the house. How many times do you want to fill this your belly? So you are here watching over us not food, right?
Wow. I have been waiting for this moment and have fallen into the trap. For your information, did you buy any food stuff in this house? Are you the Minister of Food and Agriculture in this house? Your great responsibility is to cook, and that's all.
Ariel,
Yeah.
listen. Mr. All-knowing, there is no food in the house. That's fine. Do you know your job? Your job is to watch over this entire house. You get it?
These girls has really deal with me, and I will get you to my duty post.
There is no food. Go.
Wow.
Are people blind or something? Can't you see I'm holding my bag? Huh? Am I talking to deaf and dumps?
Who are they?
Oh, they are dirty rags my father employed.
Yo, can't you hear her? Huh?
Hey, master. For your information, I thought you were sensible enough to put sense in her empty coconut.
Fool! I promise you both, you'll be fired, I swear. Baby, let's go.
Look at this.
You be fat. Yeah. You be fat.
Come on, bro. Let me send the bag, bro. Let me send the bag.
Your back is your back is.
Where did you go? Why have you left my gate open at this moment?
Ariel is back.
Ariel?
Yes, sir.
At this moment?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ariel! Ariel! Why are you here?
How's your day?
Fine. Why are you here?
Oh, is that how to gratify your daughter has been long?
Is that the answer to my question?
No, Dad, but you just returned from work. You just shower up and let's talk. I came with something to tell.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Daddy,
Yeah.
no matter what happens, I will not stay with you forever.
Okay.
Yeah, you're on roost, and I decided to come home and introduce to you slash or the man who wants to marry me.
That's all.
Yeah, right after school.
Okay. This is very interesting. I'm very glad that you are telling me that. But you know, I lost your mom through accident. So I'm here like a father at the same time as a mother. I've been taking care for you. It's a long time. So be sure whatever you are doing is very good. Thank you. Young man, what work do you do?
Please, I'm the CEO of its bed company.
That's all. We shall talk more, eh?
Okay.
Tomorrow we shall talk more about it. I will discuss with my daughter.
Okay, thank you, Daddy.
Ray, bro, listen to me. I heard that the man Ariel came with is going to marry her after school.
My guy, I was astonished when Now told me this.
Yo, bro, why are you crying?
I feel pity for this man. Eh? How can this man marry such an arrogant and disrespectful lady like Ariel? My guy.
Are you surprised?
Sure.
Birds with the same feathers flock together.
I got you. They sweet each other. Two fools fly together. Two fools fly together. Two fools fly together. Two fools fly.
Madam, what's this? Yeah, how many times do you want me to call you before you come?
I was busy doing something in the kitchen.
What is this? Huh? Is that what you call breakfast? How can you prepare this thing called breakfast? Ah! The next time you do this, you see the true color in me. Look ahead. Stupid thing.
Nah, what's wrong? What happened?
Is it my fault to be poor? How can I go through hell in this house?
I really used to right.
Who else, apart from that uncultured girl like her?
Such is life. The searches do not find. Nah, you won't be like this forever. Put yourself together. Look into the sky and tell the stars, tomorrow might be your turn. Our master is a kindness man. The light of the day will smile at us again.
No one chooses to be poor, but time and chances cause that. There is one thing I believe I have tomorrow.
clean. Oh, I don't have any issue with you at all. My father calls it. And again, my room is crammy. I don't want to see that in the next infinitesimal, okay? Just look at him, aimless.
I just don't castigate you. This girl is too proud. I hate her.
Exceptional.
What's this?
You asked for a drink.
I asked for hot alcoholic drink, not this sugar solution. Come close. Come close.
Is that learn how to serve as a maid, okay?
No.
Leave.
Take this out.
Look at her.
Wow.
What is this
A
one?
lot of change.
Change?
Yeah. I'm in my paradise. I control what I want.
What the hell are you doing here?
Oh, a friend is here.
Will you shut up?
We'll talk about this later.
No, we will.
Listen, I'm keen. I need food. Think I'm an alcohol.
Please, I'm sorry. How dare you lay your filthy hands on me?
Get a guy to open that spelling mouth of yours. Don't me like that. Huh? What gives you the effort to lay your hand on your mouth? My friend, you've stayed here for long. Leave. I'm leaving myself. Excuse me. Fuck. Now, you've seen the reason why respect being reciprocal. What you sow is what you reap. Now, I'll tell every single secret.
Please don't. Don't let Mama hear about this. Please, I beg you. Please.
I can plead me.
Please.
Don't plead me. I can't hold this sensitive info. Excuse me.
Ray!
Exceptional.
Hi. How are you?
Boss, I'm good. I'm good.
Where's Ariel?
I think yeah, back there.
You can now go and clean my room, eh?
Okay,
I'm leaving.
Almost.
How are you, Ariel?
Oh, that I'm cool.
But it's been days I saw Silas here. Why? Where is he?
Oh, Silas, yes. He has some emergency.
Emergency.
Yeah, so he will return back home. So.
Okay.
Okay. Let me take it.
What is happening here? Are you proposing, my guy? Bro, what's up?
Ray, please. I'm sorry for treating you bad. I have apologized to you, but it seems you're giving me dead years.
Not that I'm giving you 10 years. OG. Small madam. And not that I'm giving you dead years. But I just want you to know that what goes around comes around. And mind me, you are too arrogant and disrespectful. And despise that, big girl. Despise that.
So, what should I do for you? I'm willing to do it.
you are willing to do everything that I abide you to do.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Bro, that's not a bad deal. I need nothing from you. But I just want you to be courteous, kind to everyone. And I think that's so.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
Is that all I want?
Sure.
Okay, I'll do it for you. So, am I forgiven now?
Guys, for that saying to persist, that what goes around comes around. And for that saying to persist, Ariel, I mean small madam, is here to apologize for maltreating and molesting us. Wow.
Please guys, I'm really sorry for treating you back here. I cross my heart never to do that again, and I've realized my foolishness. I want to make peace in this house.
You guys, listen. It's only a fool who doesn't change his mind. Let's all forgive him and live peaceful in this house. I think it will help.
Go.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you.
No, come.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Now we have forgiven you. We don't want you to turn your back to us again.
No, never.
Don't go back to your daddy, you're crazy.
No,
Aunts.
never. I promise you guys. Never. Okay. So,
You're
guys,
able
let's
to
go. Let's go.
Exceptional.
call you here.
Katim, what are you doing?
Is that your consent?
Yes, it's my consent.
Move, go, let me do my thing. Go. Stupid girl.
Are you insulting me?
Oh.
Oh, my girlfriend has now come to know the reason I'm staying in the house.
How?
I was talking to that guy.
How? You made a big mistake.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do
I
now?
want to tell my daddy.
Don't do that.
Why?
That will be annoying.
Why are you here? Sorry. The harm has already been caused.
Talk.
Sure. And no matter how big the situation is, it can never be cut by a cutlass.
Okay?
Please, we lied to you. Sorry. Ariel here drop out from school.
What? Aria? Drop out from school?
Yes, please. That's why she came home with Silas.
Silas?
And we are sorry for not telling you all this, but now Ariel is a changed person. She was having such a crappy and icky lifestyle for her, and that caused the dropout from school.
Are you sure? That true? That means she lied me about Silas? Silas? Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. She's my daughter. And she's my only daughter. So, we shall find a better solution. We shall know what to do to find her better future. But be sure you'll be her keeper, Thank you.
That's why we are here. Thank you.